my beautiful people. Now let's make sampurado for snack. I have here Cadbury cocoa with my glutinous rice. So here we go. Let's put the Cadbury cocoa. Sampurado sa mainit na panahon. Let's add milk to our champurado. Fresh milk. There you have it. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Our sampurado for snack. Yummy. Sampurado, sampurado. Sorry. It's okay. Sampurado, sampurado. There you go. Sampurado, sampurado. And let's put carnation evaporated milk. There you go. It's yummy.